Hi guys, welcome to a new video. If you're here for the first time, hi, my name is Katleho. Welcome to my channel. I hope you stay and enjoy more of my content by clicking the subscribe button as well as the notification bell below to get notified each time I upload new content. And if you're returning, thank you so much for returning. Thank you for clicking on this video. Your continuous support is highly appreciated. I appreciate every single one of you guys who join me on each of my videos. Thank you for your support. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for liking. And if you've been coming back and you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe and join the family. So in today's video, I am going to be cooking. It's just an easy midweek meal that I made during the week for hubby and I.
Baby, I'ma be there through the rough parts of it all, holding your hand, fighting for.
So I made some pap, pumpkin, fried cabbage with carrots, and jalapeno chili vorsed with tomato gravy.
Cause I've traveled so far just to get to where you are. And I know that you're broken, but that makes you who you are. So pick up the pieces and show me you mean it tonight. I know what you're feeling, I see that look in your eyes. So pick up the pieces and show me you mean it tonight. What I've been dreaming is giving you my paradise. So pick up the pieces, pick up the pieces, pick up the pieces. So pick up the pieces, pick up the pieces. Show me you need it tonight. I could be the one you talk to when you're feeling down. I could be the one you run to when the moon hits the ground. I can say what I'm feeling, but the words just don't come out. If you ever feel lonely, girl, just know I'll come around. Cause I've traveled so far just to get to where you are. And I know that you're broken, but that makes you who you are. So pick up the pieces and show me you mean it tonight. I know what you're feeling, I see that look in your eyes. So pick up the pieces and show me you mean it tonight. Cause what I've been dreaming is giving you my paradise. Through the rough parts of it all, holding your hand, fighting for the things that we want. Be the rock you lean on, with you by my side. Baby, when we fall, together we'll rise. Cause I've traveled so far just to get to where you are. And I know that you're broken, but that makes you who you are.
We are 9 months into the year, and with only a few months left of 2024, I just want to ask you guys, how are you doing? How has your year been so far? I know it's probably for a lot of us a time where we are beginning to look back, and we're looking back into 2024, and we're just looking at all the plans and resolutions that we had for this year, And, maybe for some of us, not everything that we had planned for this year came to fruition or actually happened. You know, like the word of God says that many are the plans of man, but it's God who decides. I just want to encourage whoever is watching this video and thinking to themselves, it's been 9 months into the year of 2024. We're already in September, but nothing has happened yet. I just want to say, life has different seasons. There's a season to sow, there's a season to harvest. And 2024 might have been your year to harvest, might have been your season to harvest. We're in September and we've just started a new season, which is spring. We've just come out of winter. So in life as well, life in general is like seasons. And a normal season like spring might last 3 or 4 months, but when you look at it in terms of life, a season in your life might be 5 years. A season in your life might be 10 years. A season in your life could be a month, it could be 6 months, it could be a week, you know. And I just want to say, do not feel discouraged. It might have been your year to sow, and you might even have to sow even more next year. But I just want to say, don't give up, you know. Some of the things that we ask from God, having all our plans and everything, some dreams or some of the things that we ask from God take time, because you also need to remember that God needs to prepare you for whatever that you are asking for. Some things that we ask from God might require a week's preparation or a month's preparation, but there are those that take time, and God needs to take you through certain things or take you through certain situations or challenges in life that will actually build your character for the blessing that you have been praying for. So don't be discouraged. I think the bigger the request, or the bigger the prayer, or the blessing, or the bigger the whatever it is that you are asking from God, I think the more time it will take for you to be prepared for whatever it is that you are asking for from God. So I just want to motivate you and say, don't give up. If you have asked for something from God and you keep on having challenges in your life, take it as, also a preparation stage for whatever it is that you have asked for from God, and learn from all those challenges, because you need to develop a certain character. One thing that I have learned from God is, for example, if you ask God to make you somebody who is patient, maybe you're struggling with patience, God won't just, throw patience at you and all of a sudden you're a patient person, but He will bring situations in your life and challenges that will challenge you to become a patient person. You know what I mean? So don't give up. Don't give up. Just take it as a harvesting season, take it as a learning season, preparing yourself for whatever it is that you have asked from God, because you will probably need that character or that characteristic for that particular level in your life. So if you are looking back and you're saying nothing has happened in 2024, you've been praying, nothing happened in 2023, nothing happened in 2022, just remember that the bigger the blessing, the longer time it might take you to be prepared for whatever it is that you have asked for from God.
calling out your name. Tell me how you're feeling. Since you got me out in the open, now I'm ready to dive in. I know you told you it would be a slow burn. Beating, hiding, I've been calling out your name from the darkness, thinking it's too late. If you're finding I've been too much on your plate, I'll keep hiding, calling out your name, calling out your name. my name. Forgot about all you tried to change. Familiar was the sound of your voice as I continue to walk on by. It has been a year and now I'm living on the line. It has been a year and now I'm thinking what's mine, that I'm better off right here without you. That I'm better off right here without you. That I'm better off right here without you. Forgetful, I admit that I've lost my place. My memory's gone erased. Like a scratch, only the scar remains. For we are better apart from all the pain. Distant like the stars are above. There's no love I cannot see. And in a moment, that's when I knew I'm better off right here without you. That I'm better off right here without you. That I'm better off right here without you.
But I can't help my heart. Even though our time is short, there's always this piece of me that's yours always. Even though our time is short, there's always this piece of me that's yours.
The last thing that I prepared was pap or porridge, and it usually takes anywhere between 20 to 30 minutes to get ready, also depending on how big the pot is or how much porridge you are making. So once that was ready, I dished up for myself and my husband. We had dinner and we just relaxed for the rest of the evening. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a fantastic week. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
My heart.